Morning beautiful people, it's Kay the Sussex Stitcher. I have never done an unboxing before and I'm going to give it a go because there ain't no biz like Wattobizz, and I have the Stitch by Color SAL project has turned up plus a needleminder. So this is, sorry, let's get this out, my beautiful needleminder. Isn't it huge and isn't it beautiful? The shine on it. I love her. She doesn't match the project and I don't care. She's just for general use. Right, let's try and get this out. It comes in a Ziploc bag, so it's nice and waterproof, and then it comes in a lovely crinkly bag. This is a 16 count and it's a 50 by 40 centimetre and it has 50 colours. I don't think she has a name. I'll have to think of one, but her code is S for sugar, T for tango, A for alpha, -1760. So forgive the crinkling and I'll open her up. If I can find it. Where is it? Let's take this out. This should have a hoop in here as well. Right. So, just have a look. That's the booklet that it comes with. It's all really clear. Isn't she pretty? Oh, this is going to be so much fun. And then there is a schematic that breaks down the pages on the back and also the stitches with the symbols. And we have blends. We have from 1 to 22 on just straight up colours, and then from 23 onwards to 50 is blends, and I haven't done blends before, so this is going to be great fun. Let's put the canvas aside for a minute and open. So I've got another set of snippy snips. I don't tend to use them, but they're very handy to go in the kitchen for opening packets and things. And then we have, as Sinette would say, a toy kit. Not really going to open it. It's got a thimble, a needle threader, finger protectors, a ripper, nice looking little bottle of needles and some wax. It's pretty explanatory. And then we have a hoop, always useful. I won't use that for this, but I will use it for framing and other stuff like that. And then the colours. Oh gosh. Right, so it's 2 cards worth. Pretty colours. Look at those. Wow. And then a whole lot of love of number 32, which is a beautiful blue. Oh, it's a blend, so it's blue and black. Fabulous. And then a little Wattobizz tin. Isn't that sweet? I'm always hopeless at getting these open, but I believe it has a magnet inside it. And then we get to the main event. Oh, wow. Help if I have it up the right way. The printing is as clear as day. All those beautiful symbols. Let's try and get in a bit closer. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. So much fun. Thank you, Sandy at Wattobizz. I love it, and I cannot wait to get going on the Stitch by Colour. I keep calling it Colour by Colour, but it's not. Stitch by Colour on the 15th of September. It's probably a bit late for you to get your kit by now for that one, but loads of us have got it. But there's nothing to say you couldn't get your kit and carry, catch up. It's got a whole, I don't know if we've got a year to finish it, like the Dragon Eye SAL, which I won't finish, by the way, in a year, but yeah. Oh, I'm in love. So have a wonderful day, beautiful people. I did no stitching yesterday because we had family here, and what Juno met her little doggy cousin by friends and family, not cousin by blood, and had such a time. So for that, I'm going to sign off now. Have a wonderful day. Bye.